Bye Buggy straps because there was no video online, so we're gonna make one, and this is only the second time I've done this, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so the first step after you've removed everything, you want to make sure your straps go in the right spot. So kind of make sure that the outside part is out facing, and make sure we know where each one's going to go. The first one it says to install based on the instructions is the one that's on the very bottom. So we're going to do that first. So this really pops into place very easily. You'll see like that. That just kind of, I think, stabilizes it. This is the piece that's harder to get in there. So it says to use a blow dryer, so that's what we're gonna do, and it warms the plastic up. Just gonna kind of test it. It does get really hot, but the plastic just really molds. I tried to do it quick. My thumb was really hot and warm, and you can hear the snap into place. And there you go, that one's done. Then you go to the next one. It says the second one to install is this one. Again, I'm not really sure. You've got to make sure you're doing the right strap. So I'm not sure why this is second, but I'm just gonna do it. So, and you just keep going, and this doesn't take too long to warm it up. Test it. You can already see how it's bending. I do one side, and then it starts to cool off really quick. So lay it flush and get it in there. I did hear a tiny little snap. It wasn't like that other one, but you can kind of pull it and see that it's definitely in there. All right. Ooh, and then we just kind of keep going in order. So you want to do the whole thing?